Yeah, SurfsharkVPN versus Avast VPN. So, which of the VPN is the best VPN in 2025? So, in this video, we're going to go through some comparison and checking the key important features of these two VPN, and from there we will decide which of the VPN we think is the best in 2025 and the kind of VPN that we think can handle the privacy level in 2025. So, here's the two VPN, which is the Surfshark VPN. Surfshark VPN is a fast VPN for unlimited device, and they have the price range which is from 2.9 USD per month plus 3 months extra. You also gain access to stay safe on public Wi-Fi, access content securely, and block ads and malware on this web on the Surfshark VPN. And on the other end, which is the Avast VPN, it is free antivirus also. It is free antivirus. It is your first step online freedom. So they also provide a wide range of services online, just that makes their services stand out. Which is they also provide a password manager. They also provide a catch new emerging threat, and also they provide a wide range of services, and also they also here is a key thing about their privacy. They provide a secure line VPN which encrypt all your connection to stay safe online and also on the public network. They also provide an anti-track which diagnoses your digital fingerprints to avoid personalized ads. Also, they provide a secure browser which also helps you to secure your private level and use website browser. They also provide a secure browser for PRO, which is to unblock the full potential of adverse secure browser and full encrypted your online activities. They also provide the breach guide which protects your personal info from being exposed and sold. It also offer the secure browser which secure and private and easy to use web browser and online security privacy and security browser extension from Avast. So these two websites provide a few wide range of services which makes their privacy level unique and powerful. Now talking about the performance, they have different way at which they perform. Now for this Avast, they provide the lineup premium which boosts your computer speed and performance. They also provide the drive update which automatically install the update drive into your device with a single click. And also back to the Surfshark VPN, which is one of the most well-known VPN. So protect your online presence. So with this Surfshark VPN, you can enhance your online experience with Surfshark. For example, we get that with its unlimited device. You can connect more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 device to this website without limitation. You gain access to easy use setup, which is a breeze through your VPN setup with a Surfshark simple and friendly interface, which means they have a very intuitive interface. They also have a malware protection. Protect your device from virus, malware, ads, and tracker with Surfshark antivirus and hacks blocker. They also provide a robust privacy. You rest assured don't track what you do online. So what they did is that they provide a robust privacy, but they also don't have access to your privacy level. So they keep you private, they keep you privatized, and they also offer the top level encryption. So browse the internet confidently with industry standard encryption and a reliable VPN protocol. Yeah, so at the same time, they offer the innovative Exit technology. Exit offers the maximum protection by routing traffic through the network of server, not just a single VPN tunnel. So, and also they have an amazing Surfshark One. Surfshark One is a cyber security bundle for all over protection. Surfshark surf the website without tracking, secure your device from threats, guide your account and security using the Surfshark One Plus. And also, Surfshark VPN also help you protect your personal data private. That is to say, they provide an alternative ID for you just to keep your private online. They also provide an antivirus which protects your device. They also provide an immediate alacrity which keep you alert when your data breach is being crossed. Also, they offer the wide range of data plan that suits to your need. The first one is the starter, which is the free. This starter comes with a VPN alternative ID and also a shove of online, a short save online, and also they provide an alternative ID. And also on the other plan, which is a one plus plan, a shove one. It's also it's a perfect you need all-round security for your browsing device and identity. It provides a short save online browsing, an alternative ID, and antivirus which armor your device, an alert which monitor your data breach, and a search which also provide a browse privately. And you have another one which is OnePlus. OnePlus keep you online activities and device safe with extra focus on your identity protection, which is your VPN, which is shove online. Then the other one is the alternative ID. Then with the antivirus armor and the alert and the search and the incognito mode, which makes it okay. Then you have a lot of here's the pricing for the Surfshark. Yeah, the pricing list for this Surfshark is between the 2.19 per month. Pay for to gain access to the Surfshark starter, and also you gain this most popular as well, which is the most popular the Surfshark one, which is the most popular plan. You can also get her for that, also, which is a rate of 2.69 USD, which is per month. Also gain access to Surfshark One Plus, which is $4.29 per month with the wide range of the services. And these are the compare features for the price plan. So if you want that, you can just simply go to their website, which is the surfshark.com/pricing. And back to the advert, also provide the wide range of services, but their pricing list is not listed on their website. But they also provide the wide range of service pricing list, which makes their service more accessible to their customers and also super unique. Now, a few things also about Avast is also that they provide an identity scam website that stay away from them, which is identity scam website, and stay away from them. So they provide a website that can provide a website that can identify a scam, and also they block potential scam emails, and also they protect your personal details and webcam from hackers. So this also is unique, and this is also on the premium plan. So if you want this type of features on your VPN list, you have to subscribe to their VPN to their premium security level. So you can also gain access to their pricing list by just simply get to their customer support. The customer support is 24/7. You can get access to that. And also their service is available on Windows, Mac, Windows computer, on Mac, on Android and iOS. So there's no limitation of device. You can gain access to all their services on the entire device, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section which of these VPN you think is the best VPN for you to use in 2025. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.